Welcome to another Meditate with me, where we will focus on sensations in our hands. So, simple sensations in our hands can be an anchor for the meditation, and it's one of the more pleasant anchor you can find. It means that we will focus on what we can feel in our hands, and for most people, it's not a problem. However, if you do not like that, maybe you have some discomfort or pain in the hands, you can just replace it very easily with another part of your body, for example, feet, maybe some other places like face, so wherever it's comfortable for you. And as always, we will start by finding a comfortable position, sitting, standing, lying down. The best position will be the one where you're comfortable and relaxed. Your back is straight. You can simply focus on meditating. And sometimes it's best to close the eyes for meditation, and sometimes it's best to keep the eyes open. So I leave it up to you to which you prefer. And always nice to also start by taking some deep breaths. Just to arrive, just to feel the body, how it feels in the present moment. So taking some breaths in your own time, in your own pace. Letting the mind calm down. Letting the body relax to the extent it's possible. You're not forcing anything, just allowing. Notice the position of your body in space, how it's safely supported, perhaps by the chair you're sitting on, by the ground. Notice the heaviness, the safety you feel, however much or little there is. Just belonging to this planet and to the space you're in. As in any meditation, you will hear probably some sounds, have some thoughts or emotions. You can simply allow these distractions to be. No need to fight them, resist. You can just let them be and disappear when they are done, when they are gone. Return to the anchor, which will be, for this meditation, our hands. So we can start by simply looking at our hands. You can keep your hands wherever they are right now, on your lap, and simply look at them. You can raise your hands in front of your eyes and look at them. And when you gaze on your hands, try to make sure you do it softly, just noticing the shape, noticing what they feel like as you look at them, what they feel like inside. Especially if they have been raised. Do you perhaps feel some warmth, tingling, some energy flowing through your hands? Feel free to rotate the hands and look at them from the other side. Looking at the shape. Each finger. And what you can feel inside. It could be a lot of sensations, slight sensations, or they could be none. Especially if you feel very little in your hands, it could be helpful to touch the hands together and feel the contact of the hand-to-hand connection. You can look, of course, continue watching or closing eyes and really pulling all attention into feeling sensations, the hands touching together. And feel free to, of course, if your arms get tired, to pull the hands a bit lower, put them on your lap. You can also simply touch your hands like this on your lap and find that connection, hand-to-hand connection, and focus your attention in it. You can now simply rest your mind, your body, and put attention only in the sensations in your hand. Whether you keep them in front of you, whether they're touching, just noticing sensations in the hand. What can you feel in the hands? Remembering to breathe, to let the rest of the body relax. And just staying with the sensations in the hands. prefer to switch to another part of the body, like feet, that's okay. You can switch attention and pay attention to that part of the body. Remember to listen to your own needs and preferences and adjust these instructions so they are most suitable to you. And just continue paying attention to the sensations in your hands. And remember, getting distracted is completely normal. Whenever we notice we're distracted, we can kindly let the distraction disappear on its own. We don't follow it. We just relax and return to our anchor, to the sensations in the hands. Keeping hands as relaxed as possible. Just pay attention to sensations for a moment of silence. As we'll be slowly wrapping up this meditation, perhaps if your eyes are closed, you can slowly let them open, allowing the light inside. Maybe changing position of your hands, moving them, putting them apart, letting them rest on your lap. Taking a few deep breaths again. Moving the body in the way that works for you. Stretching. Arriving back in your surroundings. And letting yourself to return in a calm and relaxed way. Thank you very much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this hands meditation, and that if you wish to do so, you can support me by liking and subscribing to my channel. I really appreciate it. Thank you and have a wonderful day. Goodbye.